No feedback rows exist yet, so target median is unknown. I will start with Inception because it is a high-information popular movie with distinctive year, rating, genres, cast, and director. This batch selects the title from the drop-down and then clicks the required guess button. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target median equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years with a down arrow, so the target is older than 2010. Rating is within 0.5 with a down arrow, so target rating is lower than 8.8 but at least about 8.3. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi appear gray with no overlap. Visible actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap, and director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a movie older than 2010, NDV roughly 8.3 to 8.7, not action, adventure, sci-fi. It does not include the visible Inception cast or Nolan. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is green, so the target medium is movie. The target is older than 2010, rated lower than 8.8 but within 0.5 with no overlap from Inception, genres action, adventure, sci-fi, actors, or Christopher Nolan. C7N is a strong high-rated older movie candidate around 8.6 with crime, drama, mystery, and different cast and director, so it tests a likely cluster efficiently. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years with a down arrow, so the target is older than 1995. Rating is within 0.5 with a down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 8.6, but at least about 8.1. Genre overlap is drama only, while crime and mystery are not on the target. Actors Morgan Freeman, Brad Pitt, and Kevin Spacey show no overlap, and director David Fincher shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a movie older than 1995, rated roughly 8.1 to 8.5, includes drama, excludes crime and mystery, and does not include the listed C7N cast or Fincher. Avoid repeating Inception or C7N. Type card is green, so target medium is movie. The latest row says the target is a movie, older than C7N 1995 by more than 2 years, rated lower than 8.6 but within 0.5, with drama as an overlapping genre and crime and mystery excluded. Dead Poets Society is a pre-1993 high-rated drama around 8.1 with different cast and director, making it a plausible answer and a useful discriminator. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target median equals movie. Year is further than 2 years with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 1989. Rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, meaning the target rating is higher than 8.1 and no more than about 8.6. Genre overlap is drama, while comedy is not on the target. Actors Robin Williams, Robert Sean Leonard, and Ethan Hawke show no visible overlap, and director Peter Weir shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a movie older than 1989, rated roughly 8.2 to 8.6, includes drama, excludes comedy, crime, mystery, action, adventure, sci-fi, and has none of the listed Dead Poets Society cast or Peter Weir. Avoid repeating Inception, C7N, and Dead Poets Society. Type card is green, so target medium is movie. The target is older than 1989 by more than 2 years, rated higher than 8.1 but within 0.5, includes drama, and excludes comedy, crime, mystery, action, adventure, and sci-fi with no overlap from the listed casts or directors. I will accept the cookie banner first because it blocks the lower page, then guess Ananias, a pre-1987 highly rated drama with different genres, actors, and director. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target median equals movie. Year is within 2 years with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 1984, likely 1982 or 1983. Rating is green at 8.4, so the target rating matches 8.4. Genre overlap is drama only, while biography and music are not on the target. Actors F. Murray Abraham, Tom Hulse, and Elizabeth Baird show no visible overlap, and director Milos Forman shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a movie from 1982 or 1983, rated 8.4, includes drama, excludes biography, music, comedy, crime, mystery, action, adventure, sci-fi, and does not include the visible Amadeus cast or Milos Forman. Avoid repeating Inception, C7N, Dead Poets Society, and Amadeus. Type card is green, so target medium is movie. The latest feedback constrains the target to a 1982 or 1983 movie with rating 8.4, drama overlap, and no biography, music, comedy, crime, mystery, action, adventure, or sci-fi overlap. Fanny and Alexander is a 1982 drama with a different cast and director and fits the tight year and genre space better than most alternatives. Type card is green, so target medium is movie. The target is an older movie at Amadeus, rating exactly 8.4, with drama overlap and not biography, music, comedy, crime, mystery, action, adventure, or sci-fi. Das Boot is a strong fit as an older 8.4 drama war movie with different people, so I will select it carefully from the dropdown and then click the required guess button. Nice, the answer was Das Boot, solved in 5 guesses. The key clues were locking the target as a movie from 1982 with an 8.4 rating, plus drama overlap, which narrowed it down to this classic war drama.